Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So guys, today I will show you my TelePilot Pro software, one software for all solution Telegram. So here is the software. So if you are if you have purchased this software, you will get exe like this from our website. Okay. And if you have not purchased, you need to purchase the software and activate the license key. So when you purchase, you will get the exe file like this. Just you need to double tap on it and you will see the screen like this. So if you have already purchased, you need to put the activation code over here and verify activation. If you have not purchased, you need to purchase the software. So for example, I need to purchase. So I will go over here, purchase license, and here I will select the plan and I will do the payment of from the BTC. So I will put the details over here and put the details transaction head. I will have sent the payment. So after payment, you need to fill this form and you will see like this form. You need to just after this, you need to wait. The admin will approve. I will get the request of the payment you have made and you have placed the order. Then I will approve the request from here. Completed. Then you will get the license key from the your panel, right? My licenses. So here you see order number is this and your license key is this. So you need to just copy this license key, activate license. Okay, machine code you need to copy from here, activate license. You need to copy this machine code and you need to go to the go here and paste here, get activation code. So here you can see your activation code is here, your activation code. Copy this and put in the TelePilot Pro software. Just over here and verify activation. So here the software get permanent activation. You can see now. So like this, you will do the activation process. Now I will guide you how to do all other things in the software. So you can see, let me show. So I will first import the accounts, import account, or you can import sessions also. I will import sessions first of all. So I have the sessions stored, the desktop. Okay. So wait, let me check where is the sessions data. So I have sessions over here. I will open like this. You can directly log in also, or you can do like this also. So here you can see my session has been logged in. So I have 24 all sessions. Now I will just connect all session. So you can see it's connecting to the sessions. So I will delete all unconnected sessions in a band of disconnect all, connect all. So you can see my session maximum sessions are expired already. So it's showing how many hours online. You can see it's showing how many sessions are online showing over here. Now you can see the features of the software, other features of the software. Okay. From here you can see advanced import option over here, bulk account creation software. Okay. You can see bulk profile software over here, bulk profile setup, account warm up option also over here. And in this you can select any option, like for example you need to update, if you need to update bulk profiles, join random groups. There are many options available over here. You can see total there are 8 options available and you can see all warm-up options available over here. So you can use this bulk profile update over here. So you can random update names. Okay, first names, last name, bio. If you want to update random, you select and it will update randomly also. Username, photos, 2FS, whatever you need to update, it has all the functions available in the software. So here is the advanced session import also option available using proxy and all the methods, whatever we use. Change account phone number options also available, what we use to do manually. Okay, bulk DM options also available, you can see in the software. So you can see bulk option, you can select all accounts from here to send bulk DM. Join option also here. You can see markdown HTML option also here. Whatever options, all the options are available in the software, right? For the bulk DM Pro also, you can see here target users. You need to put the list of the target users, message. Okay, you can see pin option, message pin, unpin message options also in the bulk DM Pro option. Okay, so it is advanced bulk DM option. You can see stop on restriction, message per line, background message, silent message, voice first, forward drop author, delete message, forward mode, join channels, receive TG updates, hide phone numbers. You can receive also message whatever coming from the users are messaging on the Telegram ID from where we are messaging, right? You can see all the options are available. Delay, batch time, pause, deal, limit account per limit. You can also set over here from the bulk DM, right? Also in the group messaging section, you can see group messages section. You can see you can bulk DM on the groups also. Messages, what you need to put. Okay, silent message, link preview, forward mode, join group, receive TG updates. All options are also available in the software, right? On in the advanced also option, you can see it is advanced group message sender. You can see fake message. You can do random messages. All options are there, right? Group message security are also available in the software. You can see over here. Check it out. Broadcast option. Okay. You can see marketing campaign option also there. You can select the campaign over here. Database users. Okay. Manual custom. You can see target, initial messages, follow-ups, final messages. You can see. So whatever options available in the Telegram accounts, we use manual. All the options are available to do in the bulk automation system. You can see auto group chat. You need to put accounts minimum 2 for conservation conversation. Load connected accounts. We can load over here from here. You can see link target group where we need to do the messages. One message per line we need to put like this. You can select loop conversation, simulate typing, and delay delay max, loop pause minutes. You can select from here. So this is the bulk invite option for the Telegram groups. Okay, you can see users to pull in unit. You can load DB from here or import also. You can do import if you have saved scrap the memos already. Group channel link you need to put over here, and you can select the accounts all from here. Okay, and from then you can see admin failure data, unhandled data. You will see over here all the settings over here from this panel. Okay, and you can start working from here, stop working, set admin. Okay, join groups option, bulk joiner here. You can see you can use to bulk join channels or groups. Batch join V2, you can see it advanced version of join batch join option, and batch join advanced version you can see one more is available. Check membership, leave selected, join, stop, all options are there. You can create bulk channels for groups also from here. Okay, group bot manager, you can manage bots also from this software. See fix. Okay, and mirror sync group, you can clone the groups also. So here is the automation auto reply forward message. You can check. So auto forward also option here, forward bot. Auto reaction and likes option also available. You can select like dislike option also from here. You need to put the link over here and how many reaction and delay you need to put, and you will start, just it will start working. So here is the boost option for getting views, and the comments option. You can get comments also and views also using this for this version. Comments you need to put over here, messages link per link here, and you can just start select after selecting all accounts from here. Okay, and you should collect for collecting users name from here. This is the scrapper. You need to just put the source group link, or you can select the account from here. Let me check. For example, let me select this account and I will start select. You need to put the source group over here, and you can start scrap group members from here. So choose the number. For example, let me use this number. For example, choose group. I will just, so no gonna form on this account. So here you see you can use option from here like this: active members, limit, message limit, enumeration. All the function is available here. Okay, phone number checker. You can see phone number, registration valid. See, you can see there is a lot of features in the software. When you purchase, you need to just check it out. All the functions are properly working. Okay, just you can see report version also. You can report bulk report also using these all accounts. Just need to target link, put the what is the scam, how why you want to report spam, violence, other child level custom report message. You need to put delay, how much per delay you need to, in between the accounts. You can put over here. Okay, so there are many features you can see. Premium management option also here. There are many features. Okay, business features also available here. Proxy, you can set proxies and all the things, all the maximum features we have inserted in the software. If you wanted to purchase the software, you can contact me directly on that website, or you can use the this feature also, chat support features on the website also. Let me log out and show you the chat support feature. You can chat over here using this function, or you can contact us using this contact us space. You can put the message and I will reply to it once I check it is safe. And all the documentation properly given over here in the documentation section. You can see getting started, how introduction, complete introduction of the software, how it works, and what are the requirements. You can see all the things are given to start guide. All the guidance are given properly in the software, right? So just you need to purchase, and you can check if you have any doubts or how to use any doubts you have. You just need to check the documentation and you will get the solution from here. License activation solution over here. You can see first setup, when you first time set up the software properly. All the things I have mentioned clearly on the website, so it will be very easy to use, and there is no technical knowledge you need to get to use this software. You need only the basic computer knowledge, and just you can use this software. Okay, you can see all the things I have already mentioned in the documentation. You just don't need to get panic. Just you need to read over here. Okay, read properly from here. You will get easy to understand how to use this software. Okay, and we have put at the blogs also in the blog section. You can read the blogs also, and if you have any doubts, you can directly contact on the live chat support or on the contact us page, right? So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.